So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Bitcoin from Trust Wallet to another wallet. So first in your device, make sure that you already have the Trust Wallet or app already downloaded, and all you have to do is launch it. And from here, you might be prompted to log in using your Face ID or with a passcode. Then, once inside your Trust app homepage, head over and click on the send button. And from here, since we're trying to send the Bitcoin, you're just going to need to choose BTC or Bitcoin cryptocurrency. So just click on it. Next is just add in the address or domain name in which you want to send the Bitcoin, and of course, the Bitcoin amount that you would like to send. Then once done, head over and click on the next button. Then lastly is click on the send button to finalize and confirm transfer. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!